Good evening, friends. Amrit Kumar here. I hope you have gone through all these articles, especially Article 1, which is Smart Energy Meter using ESP32 and TAS motor, and the same in the second Article 2, the continuation of Article 1. I am also sure that you have already gone through MQTT on CentOS stream installation. That is part 1. Part 2 yet to be published. I was waiting for today because I have just completed configuring my task motor to post the data onto MQTT server. So let's start the demo. So I am opening a new tab from Chrome, and the IP address of my microcontroller ESP32 is 29.195 and I am browsing it. So the development kit, ESP32 development kit, which has task motor on it, is already recording information, right? This is what we have already seen in our earlier article also. So now the configurational changes that you may have to make from your side is go to configuration and then go to MQTT, and then this is what I have configured. 192.168.29.150 is my Linux machine, and that machine is hosting MQTT, which is Mosquitto service, and it is running on port number 1883. So right now I do not have any TLS SSL. Self-signed certificate is not there, so I have removed that option. I have not checked that box, MQTT TLS. Otherwise, the client, user, the password, everything is there. The topic and full topic, nothing is changed. Default values, I let them remain as it is. The only change I made is username and the password. That's it. This is the configuration I have done, and to check after it gets connected and post the data, so I am going to the main menu and then tools and then console. So this is where it is giving me the information that MQT, it is able to transport the data. So all this information, the energy related information, is sent to MQTT server. So what is the time duration at which this is sent is I guess it is 60 seconds. Let me just check. So I go to tools and then main menu, then I go to configuration, then logging, and this is where I find. So this telemetry period that you see here, that gives the information, or this setting that you may have to do, how many seconds you want your telemetry data to be posted onto MQTT. So that's it, nothing else. So here I have set it to 60, and yeah, that's it. Then I go to configuration, main menu, everything works fine, and my data is getting posted to the MQTT, because it shows here. And in the next video I will show you my PC as well, where your current voltage and energy, I mean to say the power factor, which is very important, also gets recorded onto a interface, MQTT Explorer. So that's what we're going to do. So thank you so much for watching. Continue to stay tuned to my Instructables, because I'll be posting all the updates there. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.